No, what do I say? I'm not a minister. I don't know. I don't work in parliament.
Well, Kwame Nkrumah goes angry with Jinapor. That's why the lights.
Yes, we've realized that the lights are out. We would ask questions. We would inquire why the lights are out.
Kwame Nkrumah is reacting.
We want to know the cause of it. But the claim by government that there's not been load shedding is completely false. At a meeting chaired by the Honorable Attaché himself, all the entities and the stakeholders, from generation, transmission, distribution, and the regulators were present. Officially, it was disclosed, and we have the evidence signed by the chairman of the committee, who is an MPP member, that since January, the utility companies have been shedding load. And so the claim by the president that there's been no load shedding is false, it's a figment of his own imagination, and is completely untrue. The evidence before Parliament here, before the Mines and Energy Committee, as documented and signed by the Honorable Attaché, GridCo, Energy Commission, PURC, ECG, VRA, and the independent power producers, before the committee confirmed that there's been load shedding since January. And they confirmed that the cause of the load shedding was because they did not have enough money to procure fuel. And so for the president and the Minister of Energy to deliberately peddle that level of falsehood beats our imagination. It tells you that they've lost it. They think they can run away with peddling falsehood, concocted stories, contrived stories, and blatant falsehood. That will not wash. And I would share the document with you. It's an official document documented by Parliament. And that document was signed by no less a person than the chairman himself, the Honorable Samuel Attaché, who is a member and the chairman of the Mines and Energy Committee. Thank you very much.
Thank you.